So I'm looking forward to meeting your friends.
Yeah, they're interesting.
Oh, Tim! Oh, so good to see you, man. Oh, who's this?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
You have really pretty hair. This is a nice shirt. What do you got here? What's this? Oh, I love these. Thank you. Oh.
Tim, there's a guy out here. Tim, there's a guy. He's walking. He's walking. I can see him. I don't think he can see me. I don't know. I think we should do something. No, false alarm. He's gone.
Oh, another dead bird. Thanks, Jimmy.
Oh. Okay. What? Is he gonna be here all night too?
Hey guys, I'm going to the bank. Want to go for a ride?
No.
I'm ready!
Hey, check this out. Jimmy hates this thing.
You go out there. I'm not going out there.
Hey, do you leave the door open?